Shopkins to open today. We have the fridge set and 3 season 2 packs, and they each have 1 hidden Shopkin inside. So let's open this one first. So we have these Shopkins inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hidden Shopkins. So we're gonna open this one up. Lorelai, you gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, good try. Try again. Let's see what's inside. It's a cake! And she is right there. And she's green, so she is considered a rare Shopkin. Cool. So, the next one looks like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hidden one. So let's open this one. Let's see what it is. Lorelai, you gonna cut it open? All right, let's see what we got. It is, oh, it's a rare sparkly one. The crystal glitz. Let's see what we got. Whoa, it's so pretty. Mary Meringue. This is right there, and it's the pink one, so it's considered ultra rare. So we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hidden one. Ooh, that was a good cut. We have a pack of crackers. Rice crackers, and it is considered rare. Cool. So let's open the big one next. So we open up the refrigerator, and it looks like this. And it came with these little eggs, and they have it's a little seesaw. Oh, drop one. So the eggs sit in the door, and they have a little seesaw. And then inside is the ice box. And there's a little drawer. Our toilet paper in the freezer. Close the door and push the cup. Oh, there it is. Very cute. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching our Shopkins video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have tons of craft ideas, fun things to do when you're bored, and toy reviews.